share and like. Today in this video, we will have a video of All India Institute of Medical Sciences for nursing officers recruitment. For that, from the anatomy and physiology, we will have some of the MCQ questions and answers. So it is also called NARSET. Okay, we will see the questions. There will be multiple choice questions. Then you have to choose a correct answer from that, and you have to answer it. Okay. So today, from human heart, anatomy, from the anatomy physiology subject, human heart, MCQ, multiple choice questions. Let us go for that. Okay. The question: the muscles present in the heart is called. The muscles present in the heart is called. One is the cardiac muscle, hepatic muscle, pericardium muscle, tendon muscle. Which one is the in this correct answer? Means cardiac muscle is the correct answer. Okay. Next, heart is protected on all sides by. Heart is protected on all sides by. Options are chest cavity, vertebral column, ribs, rib cage and vertebral column on the back. So here fourth one is the correct answer. Rib cage and vertebral column on the back. Next question. Right auricle receive blood from the body. Right auricle receives blood from the body. Options are oxygenated blood, deoxygenated blood, both 1 and 2. In this multiple choice answers, we can here second one is the deoxygenated blood is the correct answer. Next, left auricle receives oxygenated blood from. Left auricle receives oxygenated blood from. Choice questions: nose, left lung, right and left lung. Answer is the right and left lungs. Which ventricle pumps deoxygenated blood to the lungs? Which ventricle pumps deoxygenated blood to the lungs? Options are right ventricle, left ventricle, both, none of above. In this, answer is right ventricle. Next question. Which ventricle pumps oxygenated blood to the body parts? Which ventricle pumps oxygenated blood to the body parts? Options are right ventricle, left ventricle, both ventricles, none of above. Here is the right answer is left ventricle. Next question. Which veins bring oxygenated blood from lungs? Which veins bring oxygenated blood from lungs? The choices are coronary veins, pulmonary veins, arteries. Here is the second one is the answer, pulmonary veins. Next question. Which arteries carries deoxygenated blood? Which arteries carries deoxygenated blood? Choices are pulmonary arteries, veins, arteries, none of above. Pulmonary arteries carries the deoxygenated blood. Next question. Which are large vein and artery? Which are large vein and artery? Hepatic veins and arteries, pulmonary veins and arteries, vena cava or large artery and large artery aorta. Vena cava or large artery and large artery aorta. This is the answer. Okay. Next question. The blocking of which artery results in heart attack? The blocking of which artery results in heart attack? Choices are pulmonary artery, coronary artery, hepatic artery, splenic artery. From this, second one, coronary artery is the correct answer. Walls of the heart allow the blood to flow in. Valves of heart allow the blood to flow in one direction only. Reverse direction, two directions, none of above. From these options, number one is the in one direction only. Next question. Tricuspid wall allows blood to flow from. Tricuspid wall allows blood to flow from. Options are right auricle to right ventricle, right ventricle to left ventricle, right ventricle to right auricle. Fourth one is the none of above. Here right answer is the right auricle to right ventricle. Pericardium is associated with. Pericardium is associated with. Options are lungs, kidney, heart, brain. Answer is heart. Next question. A four-chambered heart occurs in. A four-chambered heart occurs in. Options are fishes, birds, amphibians, reptiles, mammals, birds, mammals. Here is the birds and mammals. Okay, answer. Incompletely, next question. Incompletely divided ventricle occurs in man. Incompleted divided ventricles occurs in fish, frog, reptiles and birds. Here is the reptiles. Okay. In man, superior vena cava collects blood from. In man, superior vena cava collects blood from. Options are all parts of the body, head and legs, hands, legs, head, neck. So, here answer is the head, neck. Vena cava in man open into. Vena cava in man open into. Options are right auricle, left auricle, right ventricle, left ventricle. Here answer is the right auricle. Okay. Next question. The blood vessels that brings oxygenated blood to the heart. The blood vessel that brings oxygenated blood to heart. Options are pulmonary artery, post-caval vein, coronary vein, pulmonary vein. Answer is the fourth, pulmonary veins. Next question. Heart attack is caused by the blocking of. Heart attack is caused by the blocking of. Options are pulmonary artery, coronary vein, pulmonary vein. Answer is the coronary artery. Next question. Tricuspid valve is present in between. Tricuspid valve is present in between. Options are right auricle and left auricle, left auricle and right ventricle, left auricle and left ventricle, right auricle and right ventricle. So answer is the right auricle and right ventricle. Okay, this is the answer. Next question. The valve present between left auricle and left ventricle is. The valve present between left auricle and left ventricle is. Options are mitral, tricuspid, semilunar, pulmonary. Answer is mitral. Okay. Next question. Pulmonary artery starts from. Pulmonary artery starts from. Options are right ventricle, left ventricle, right auricle, left auricle. Answer is the right ventricle. Next question. Deoxygenated blood from the heart is taken to. Deoxygenated blood from the heart is taken to. Options are kidney, lungs, neck, stomach. Answer is lungs. Okay. Next question. Systemic aorta originates from. Systemic aorta originates from. Options are right ventricle, right auricle, left auricle, left ventricle. So answer is the left ventricle. Next question. Blood pressure of a person is measured by. Blood pressure of a person is measured by galvanometer. Options: galvanometer, sphygmomanometer, borometer, thermometer. Here the answer is second one, sphygmomanometer. The number of valves present at the entrance of aorta in left ventricle are. The number of valves present at the entrance of aorta in left ventricle are. Options are one is the 2 is the 3 is the 4 is the 5. So correct answer is 3. That is 2. Number 2, 3. Okay. Next question. The valves present at the entrance of pulmonary aorta in right ventricle are. Options are tricuspid, bicuspid, mitral, semilunar. So answer is the semilunar. Okay. Right auricle receives. Right auricle receives. Question is right auricle receives. Options are oxygenated blood, lymph, mixed blood, deoxygenated blood. So here the answer is deoxygenated blood. Pulmonary veins bring blood from. Pulmonary veins bring blood from. Options are heart, brain, kidney, lung. The answer is fourth one, lung. Okay. Next question. Systemic aorta carries oxygenated blood, lymph, deoxygenated blood, and mixed blood. In this, answer is deoxygenated blood. Next, BP means options are auricular relaxation, lymph pressure, blood pressure, and ventricular pressure. Here is the answer is blood pressure. Next question. Normal blood pressure of human is options are 80 by 120, 2 100 by 120, 3 120 by 150, 4 120 by 80. The answer is 120 by 80. Okay. Bicuspid valve allows blood to flow from. Bicuspid valve allows blood to flow from right auricle to left ventricle, left ventricle to right ventricle, left ventricle to right ventricle, and left auricle to left ventricle. These are the options which are given for this question. So answer is the number 1. Right auricle to left ventricle. Okay. Next, incompletely divided ventricle occurs in. Incompleted divided ventricles occurs in. This is the about the biology. Fish, frog, reptiles, birds. Here is the reptiles. In man, caval veins open into. In man, caval veins open into. Options are right auricle, right ventricle, left auricle, left ventricle. Okay. Next question. One of the following statement is true. That is, the right auricle is smaller than the left auricle. The left auricle is smaller than the right auricle. The left auricle is smaller than right ventricle. The right ventricle bigger than left ventricle. Here is the answer is 2. 2. The left auricle is smaller than right auricle. Okay. Next question. The part of the human heart that receives deoxygenated blood from all body parts except from lungs. Left auricle, left ventricle, right auricle, right ventricle. So answer is the right auricle. Okay. These are the questions which are provided for you in this video on basis of MCQ. So please subscribe, share and like. Okay. Thank you very much for watching this video.